Now, Waterhouse remained unbeaten following a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Tivoli Gardens in an ill-tempered rescheduled contest at the Jerusalem Mini Stadium on Thursday. But it was a poor discipline that was displayed throughout the contest which grabbed the spotlight. The match pitted two teams at opposite ends of the table against each other, with Waterhouse starting in second and Tivoli Gardens at the foot of the table. Barrington Price gave Tivoli the lead in the 27th minute, which they held until the half-time break. However, 15 minutes inside the second half, Waterhouse were awarded a penalty for this challenge. Captain Keithy Simpson then dispatched the resulting spot kick to pull Waterhouse level. Then, on the stroke of full time, Waterhouse grabbed all 3 points when Kenroy Howell scored to make it 2-1. But from there, the match descended into chaos as referee Okito Nicholson struggled to control the contest. Several fights broke out towards the end of the match as Tivoli Gardens players were apparently upset about the circumstances which led to Waterhouse's winning goal. Tivoli Gardens assistant coach Edsel Scott had to be restrained by members of his team before being sent off. Tivoli eventually ended with 10 players as Rodrigo Wellington was sent off in second half stoppage time. Their coach Philip Williams blamed poor refereeing for the ill discipline at the end of the contest.
I wouldn't say no, they were playing with their heart there, but when officials make the calls that they do, it's definitely hard to ignore. But I think today we played well, despite the fact that the referee had some amount to do with the outcome of the game. We played well and we are improving as we go by game, and today we played enough, played good enough to have gotten a point out of the game.
Waterhouse assistant coach Damian Gordon says high tensions are expected when the two teams meet, but that his team was in control of their emotions.
It is, that is expected to physical team. However, we were a little bit more level-headed in terms of how we wanted to play, hence the result.
The league continues on Sunday with 5 matches. Waterhouse will host Arnett Gardens in the Monday night fixture.